Hello traders, in this lecture we are going to look for the charting platform called as Tradingview.com. There are different charting platforms like MetaTrader, but MetaTrader needs the installation of software in your devices. As well as there is Investing.com charting platform. I am using Tradingview.com for a long time. In this lecture we are going to provide you the information about how to log in, then about the chart layout, and how to use tradingview.com tools and fundamental analysis and much more. If you know all about the tradingview.com, about the installation, about the chart layout, about how to log in, then you can skip this video and go to the next lecture. Now what we are going to do is that in the right side of the lecture name, below that you can find resources. In that resources we have provided the link for the tradingview.com, or else you can directly open your browser and the top side you can enter the URL as www.tradingview.com. After coming to this page, you can see here the start free trial. So where we have provided you the link, you will be directly redirected to this page. So here you can see basic, pro plus premium. Remember this point that TradingView provides the free charting at start. So don't directly register your tradingview.com by paying some amount like Pro Plus, Pro or Premium. Don't invest your money at start for this charting platform. Once you are having the proper analysis of trading, how to exactly trade, or else we can say once you are starting to make out the money from the trading, then you can go and subscribe to the TradingView chart. But right now there is no need of getting subscription for Pro Plus, Premium for tradingview.com. Right now only focus on learning, and later on once you will have the feeling that now it's a time that I should go and buy the tradingview.com subscription, then you have to go. At start only don't invest your money in this. It will have a proper time that you will have the feeling that it's a high time, now I have to buy the TradingView subscription. Then in that case you can go and you can buy this. In another case, if you are having the multiple screens, in that case you can go and do the subscription. Here you can see they are providing like 5 indicators per chart, 10 indicators per chart, 25 indicators. All the different subscriptions is having different benefits. So you can go through it later on. But if you are a beginner, there is no need for the subscription. Why I am giving force on this? Because what happens is that those who are the experienced trader, they are using the Pro Plus Premium account, and the new traders are been excited that okay, they are getting something in this Pro Plus Premium, that's why they are making the profits. No, they have taken this because they need a lot of analysis to do. They need something to use like multiple screen, multiple indicators, multiple things they have to use. That's why they are using Pro Plus Premium. But right now you are in the phase of learning, that's why there is no need of using this subscription. So what you have to do, you just have to come here, you just can see basic, it's $0.00, that is it's totally free. What you have to do, you just have to click on start now, and you have to do the sign up by using any of your social media account like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn. You can also use your email ID for sign up. So after doing the sign up, now already I am having my account. So what I am going to do is that I am going to sign in. So yes, I have done the sign in. So here you can see I have done the sign in, and my current status is the basic one. Okay, this is my second account. I am also going to show my original account where actually I trade. But right now, for your understanding, for proper understanding that what settings we have to do, what chart layouts we have to do, for that I have created my new account on tradingview.com, so that it will be easy for you also to what to exactly do the settings. So what you have to do, first of all, you can see a chart, trade, market, screener, idea, stream, then script, more. We are not going to use anything of this. Remember, in the screeners, in the forex screener or in the stock screener, you are going to get the signals like for 5 minutes the market movement is the bullish or bearish, like this. But don't focus on these indicators or anything. Those signals are on the based on the indicators like ADX, RSI, moving averages, and all, mixing all the indicators, what all indicators are providing the information whether the market is bullish or bearish. On that basis it is giving the information that what is the current status for the market for 5 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, and like that for 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. So don't use all these signals and all, just focus on the price action. So what you are going to do here at the start is you are going to see your chart. So you are just going to click on chart. After that it will be redirect you to this URL, or we can say it will be redirecting you to the chart section. Now here you can see it is been redirected to Nifty 50. So what first of all we are going to do is that we are going to change the background of this chart. So for that what you are going to do, you are going to right click, then you are going to come in settings, and there you can see background, vertical grid lines, horizontal grid lines. So what you are going to do, you are just going to make it all black. We don't need vertical lines nor horizontal lines, and we are just going to click on OK. After that what you are going to do, again you are going to click on right click, then in color theme you are going to come, and then you are going to click on save as, and then you are going to type as main black, so that you will remember that by clicking on plain black your whole screen will be black. Now there are two different things, light and dark. If you are going to click on light, then the background will be purely white color. Here also you can clearly see there are horizontal and vertical lines. If you are comfortable by using the white background, then you can again go in the right click, then settings, and make all this as purely white. Vertical lines white and horizontal lines white, but I am always using the black background and everything is black. So what you are going to do, you are going to click on dark, then later on you are going to click on main black. But now some of them will say that why I didn't directly click on main black. So see here what will happen if I am directly going to click on main black. It is only going to change the background of this chart, but all the side portion, or we can say all the borders, will be white only. So what we are going to do, again we are going to click on dark, and then later on color theme as main black. Okay, so till here have you got the point? Then after that what you are going to do is that here you are going to click, and here you are going to come, and here you are going to enter the name for your chart layout. So right now I am entering as Indian stock. So saving this. So what is going to happen, whatever changes you are going to do in this Nifty 50 index, it will be saved in this layout. So here we are in the free version, that's why it is only going to provide us the one chart layout. So the main thing what we have to do is that we have to click on watch list here. Then now I am only trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am not doing stock trading for intraday. For stocks I am only doing the swing trading. That means I am holding my trades for month, for 6 months, for 3 months, like this I am holding my stocks. But for intraday trading I am only trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what I am going to do here is that I am going to enter as Nifty 50. Then I am going to enter it as Nifty Bank. So here you can see both the lists are added, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if I am going to click on Bank Nifty is going to get open. If I am going to click on Nifty, Nifty is going to get open. So this is done with the watch list. So here you can add any symbols which you want to, like Asian Paints. If you want Asian Paints also you can add. Then you can add Reliance. See here, so Asian Paint is added, Reliance is added. Now if you want to use the future chart, for that what you are going to do, you are going to click on Bank Nifty. I will show for Bank Nifty right now. So in the Bank Nifty, here you can see this is written as Bank Nifty Index Continuous Current Contract, means the current month is going as May. So for May, this is the right chart. So this is the chart for the May month. Future charts are on the basis of contract, so the charts are going to get changed monthly. So right now the May month is going on, that's why here we can see for the May month, this is the chart for the future. So right now we are not using the future chart, we are trading in the options. So what I am going to show you here is that Nifty and Bank Nifty we are going to do. These both the indices are very important for us because we are trading for intraday in this both the indices only. So here we are there on the Bank Nifty. Now we are going to look for the settings of Tradingview.com. So here you can see 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. So what is this? This is the time frame. So for adding this, you are going to click here, and according to your comfort, you can add and star this for getting at the top of this section. So right now I only use 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 45, 1 hour, 4 hour and 1 day. If you want to use 10 minute, it is not going to allow us because for it we need the subscription of Tradingview.com. So right now we are using only 5 minutes time frame. Then later on here you can see there are different candlesticks. Here first of all is bar, candle, hollow, Heiken Chiashi, line, area, baseline, Renko, line break, Kagi, point and figure, range. So different traders are using these different types of candlesticks or line, but here right now we are doing whole price action trading on the basis of Japanese candlestick, that is on the basis of candlestick. Then compare, we don't need this compare. Indicators I am going to show you later on when we are going to install our indicators of GAN and VWAP. Then later on here template. So here also I am going to show you about the templates, that we can always save our templates, means what settings we are using for the indicators, that we are going to save here in the templates. Then this is the alert. This is very important, alerts. So what is this alert? Alert is that if you are going to see here, this is the resistance point. So if market is going to come at this point, then what we are going to do, we are going to go for short. It's just an example, don't get like this analysis that we are directly going here for the short. No, we are just making the general analysis that if the market is going to be here, then we are going to go for short. So what is going to happen if you are not there in front of the screen, if you are trading in forex or if you are doing for the swing trade, in that case what you can do is that here you can come and here you can click on plus, and then here you have to click on add alert for Bank Nifty. Then one line will get drawn here, and after clicking on that, here you can see the alert is going to get triggered after crossing, means whenever the candlestick is going to cross this line, alert is going to get triggered. Then here the options is that only once and every time. Once means once the trigger is going to get released, then this alert is going to get deleted, and every time is that whenever the price is going to touch the same line, the alert is going to get triggered. So here the expiration time also, when you want this line to get expired. Then alert action also, if you are having the Tradingview.com application, it will notify you on the Tradingview.com. Then it will also send you the email. Okay, so what we need is that notify on the app, show pop-up. I always use all these three, 1, 2 and 3 for the betterment that I am getting the alerts exactly at right position. What happens sometimes, show pop-up disturbs my screen visual, means what happens, it pops up in the between only, and due to that I am not having the proper chart. I had to click on OK, then it is going to go. So what I usually do is that I notify on the app and send email, that's it. So my email screen is always on, so I always get a trigger that email Bank Nifty has crossed this level. So here you can enter any alert name. Here you can enter any message like Bank Nifty is crossing, we have to take put. So like this message you are going to get triggered whenever the line is going to get crossed. So I am saving this right now. If you want to just delete it, double click and delete. Then there is an option called as replay. If you are going to click on this replay and if you are going to click here on the chart, this whole section will get deleted and it will be looked like you are having the analysis in the live market. It is very useful when you are having the back testing of any indicator or any strategy. But for the free version it's not applicable for reply, but in the Pro Plus and the premium version it's applicable. That also I am going to show when we are going to shift it from this to another account. So there are different kinds of options like cross, dot, arrow, erase. In this, what you are going to do here is that this is very important section. Here you are going to click, here you are going to click on trend line, and here you are going to click on star. Trend line is very important for us. Then later on we don't need info line, trend line, angle, anchor, VWAP. Horizontal line is very important. So what we are going to do? We are going to add it. Then horizontal ray is also very important. Then we are going to add it. We don't need vertical line, cross line, arrow, we need it. So we are going to add it. Ray we don't need. Extended line we don't need. Then parallel channel we are going to add. Then disjoint channel, flat top, bottom, regression, trend we don't need. So whatever we have added, it is getting added at this point. So what is going to happen every time you don't want to go here and then you have to click on the line and then you have to draw the line. No, you just have to click here and the line will be drawn on the chart. And for deleting it, you just have to click here and enter the delete button from your keyboard. You don't have to right click and then you just don't have to remove it. You just have to click it and delete it. Then later on here we need only Fibonacci retracement. So where is it? Fibonacci retracement. And we are also going to use the Gann fan. So add the Gann fan also. Then later on here we need the brush and rectangle. Add the both of them. We don't need any one of it. Then later on coming down in the annotation we need the call out. Add it. Then later on here we need the long position and short position. Add the both. So one by one I am going to show you how to use it. So first of all we are going to look for the line. So if we are going to draw this line like this, then if you want to draw the parallel line to it, what we are going to do, again we are not going to click here and then we are going to draw. No. Now I am using the Mac. If you are a Mac user, then in that case you have to click on command and then you have to draw the parallel line. So see here, we have drawn the parallel line. Okay. For Mac user, you have to click on command, then drag. For Windows user, you have to click on control and then you have to drag. Next point, long and short. So if you have taken the trade at this point, the red part signifies that this is your stop loss and the green part signifies that it is your target. It is going to be very useful for you when you have placed your trade. So this is for the long position and for the short position it's vice versa. At the top it is having the stop loss and at the bottom this is the target. Then later on this is the drawing tool. This is important for me actually. Then later on this arrow signifies me that I have to take the put trade once the market is going to touch from this level. So what I am doing here is that I am drawing first line here and then here I am drawing one arrowhead. So if I want to change the direction, I just want to scroll it up. Okay. The next one is the ray. So this is the ray. Then the call out. If I am having this ray as support or resistance, I am going to type it as resistance. So it will be drawn here. The next point is this rectangle. Rectangle is very important. Remember this point. What happens is that the beginner traders think that market is going to just sustain at a single line. No. Every time when you want to draw the support or resistance, draw always the supply and demand zone. Means what? You have to always draw this rectangle box. Then later on we are having the horizontal line. This horizontal line covers the whole chart. So if you are going to zoom out, this line is going to get visible. So this is the horizontal line. Then we are having the parallel channel. Here you have seen how to clone the line. But if you want to draw the parallel channel, what you can do is that you just have to select one point. You just have to select the second point and you just have to drag at downside. So this is what you have drawn. This is the channel. Next is the Fibonacci retracement. So this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Then next we are having the Gann fan. So the Gann fan also we are having. So all these indicators are very important for us. One more indicator which is left is regression. So it's regression trend line. About this regression line, we are going to show you when we are having the analysis for the Gann fan. It is very important when we do the analysis for the Gann fan. Now we have drawn so much of things like trend line, channel, Fibonacci line, then Gann fan, then this rectangular box, then we have also drawn, then this call out. So we are not going to just click and then we are each and every time we are not going to just click and we are going to click on delete. No, what we have to do here is that we have to just click here and we have to click on remove drawings, and all the drawings will get removed. Then this is not important for you right now, hide all drawings. Then lock all drawing tools is not important, stay in drawing mode. Means if you are going to click here and if you are going to draw one trend line, another trend line also you can draw, another trend line also you are going to draw. But if you are going to turn this off, once you are going to draw the trend line, you can't draw another trend line. Okay, so again you have to then click here, then you have to draw. Then we are going to look for the magnet mode. Magnet mode helps to plot. See here it is written, drawing anchors will be snapped to the closest OHLC, open, high, low, close values of near bars. So it is having two types, weak magnet and strong magnet. So right now I will show for the strong magnet. So if you are going to come here and if you are going to draw trend line, so see here it is directly going to its open, high, low, close values automatically. I am just moving it and it is going like this. So what is exactly it is happening is that it is touching to the highest position, lowest position, or the open price or the close price of the candlestick. For that the magnet is useful. Then next we are having the zoom. So if you want to zoom this section, then we just have to click on here and then we have to just drag it and we have to select, then this section will get zoomed in. Then for zoom out, we just have to click on zoom out and it will get zoom out. Then this is the ruler. This ruler is important to understand at how much point the market has gone up or down. You just have to click on this ruler and you have to drag from bottom to top or from top to bottom like this. Now what it will show is that from here the market is having the starting point, and from here how much point the market has raised. So here the market has raised 238.50 points. So on this position what is happening, 0.72% market has rise. So in this what we can see, within 6 bars, within 30 minutes, market has rise 238.50 points in Bank Nifty from year to year. So this is the ruler. This is how it is going to help us for analyzing that how much point the market has given the moves. So if you have any doubts regarding this tradingview.com, you can message us in our chat box on merchanttradings.com, as well as you can message us on Udemy.